Welcome to Minutes Mastery by 3T, a series where we bring you cutting-edge insights in just a few minutes. Today, we explore whether we should admit our flaws in public or not. In a very professional context, acknowledging your flaws can enhance your credibility and trust, especially when you are confident of your competence. A research shows that leaders who are more open about their weaknesses are seen as more authentic and relatable. For instance, an HBR study found that 71% of employees trust their leaders who admit mistakes over those who do not. Like Ratan Tata ji, for example, his humility and willingness to admit missteps have strengthened his reputation as a trusted and respected leader. The fact is that confidence in your competence allows you to be open about your flaws. This openness fosters a culture of learning and innovation for everyone's benefit. In India's fast-paced business world, embracing this kind of mindset can lead to stronger teams and better decision making. At a very personal level, when I contested elections for ISTD National Council membership, I revealed to the voters that I am not good at networking and will work for everyone's benefit given a chance. And I won the elections. Remember, admitting your flaws is a sign of strength, not weakness. So, you can wash your dirty linen in public sometimes. Stay tuned for more Minutes Mastery Insights by 3T.